Hey folks, welcome back. Today we have an exciting video. Vinegar and baking soda fireworks, and only need for this is... The first step is to take a regular spoon or 1 tablespoon. Take 1 tablespoon and put it in here. And spread it out. And I have a star-shaped board because you know it's coming up. Guys, now it's time to layer it up. After you're done putting the baking soda, you put the glitter. Now it's time for the vinegar, and let's see what happens. Oh, the vinegar! Whoa! Whoa, look at it fizzing! You should try this experiment at home. It's so fun and cool. Add a little more. Look at all the fireworks. Oh. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you did this activity at home. And see you guys all next time. Bye.